And welcome back to everyone a coder. In this video, we'll show you how to test an API you've subscribed to directly through the Chenosis API Portal. First, log into your account on the API Portal. As you can see here, I have 3 applications set up. For this tutorial, we'll be working inside the test application and using one of its subscribed APIs. Within the test application, you'll see a list of the APIs it contains. We'll be testing the MTNSA SIM-Active API. On the API detail page, click the endpoints tab. Here, you'll find all the technical details, the request methods, required headers and parameters, sample payloads, and expected responses. Now scroll down to the Try It Now section. This is where we can interact with the API directly from the portal. Let's run a test call. First, I'll click Execute to show what happens without authentication. As expected, the request returns a 401 unauthorized error. To fix this, scroll to the top and click the Authorize button. Here, paste in your client ID and secret. These are provided when you create your application. Once you're authorized, close the window and return to the API endpoint. This time, we'll fill in the required fields including the content type and a valid MSISDN or phone number. Now click Execute. The request is processed and we receive a successful response. At the bottom of the page, we can see the full response body, including the number we tested and its SIM-Active status. And that's how we test an API using the Chenosis API Portal. I hope this tutorial helped and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.